high. Rahul was an individual who was born in a middle-class family. He always faced financial issues. One day, while watching TV casually, and while scrolling through the channels, he came to know that stock market was going up on a hasty pace. He also saw analysts saying about how to make profits by following their calls. He started to invest in the stock market with what he had. As the stock market was in a booming pace, he was able to reap great profits and became happy. But this happiness was only a short-living one. The stock markets started the correction phase, about which he knew very little and also came to know very late. His investments started to come down, some even made losses. He started to think about his old life when he didn't have any money to spend and also about the terrible life he would be leading. To be continued.